Hello, this is Pavel Kaczorowski with the ClearOne, and we are here at the ClearOne booth at ISE 2020. I'm here to talk to you about our entry-level Collaborate Versa 50 product, which is Versa Hub, a speakerphone Chat 150, as well as a Unite 50 4K ePTZ camera. This product allows you to use any collaboration tool, any collaboration application on your PC with a professional-grade AV solution. So all you need to do is just connect a single cable, single USB 3.0 cable between your PC and the Versa Hub to be able to utilize dual screen as well as a camera, network access, as well as chat for your audio needs. This is a superb product because it allows you to use two screens, which means you can have far-end video on one screen and a presentation or an Excel file or any other file you may want to share with other locations on the other screen. Also, this product is set for 6 or 8 people, but if you decide to use it with a larger venue, you may want to decide to attach another Chat 150 in a daisy chain, so you can use that very easily, very conveniently for a room of 15 or 16 people. For more information on this product, please come by to ClearOne stand at ISE 2020, Hall 11, D130, or visit us at clearone.com.